Toyota RAV4 battery today. This applies to everything. The tool you need is a 3/8 socket, 3-inch extension, 10 millimeter. Pretty much you need 10 millimeters for all the batteries. And just kind of this little open wrench here too. We're gonna take out the battery holder, which is also a 10 millimeter. So the back side, you don't really need to take it out all the way. You can just slide it out. When you take out a battery, you always take the negative first, because that's where all the power comes from. Just like when you take out like a light switch in a house. See some wiring there. These extensions seem to be blocked by this little terminal here, so what we're going to do is get an open and just loosen it from there. And then you just wiggle it, and then if it's loose enough, you can pull it out. And it is. And then you're going to tuck it on the side. You don't want to hit any metal. And then the other thing you want to do is take out the 10, which you can use the 3/8 socket for. Let's tighten it. So we're going to loosen that. Could be loosened a little bit more. And then we're going to lift it out. Cool. And now we're going to move this out of the way. So this kind of metal piece hooks onto this like a metal bracket with a hole at the back side. So you can take the battery out now. All right. We're going to lift and put the new battery in. Gonna rest it first. Alright. That sound was it snapped back into place. There's some little plastic holes where it aligns so it keeps it firm and not from shaking around. And you're going to peel off these protective caps. Let me go get some pliers. So these can be thrown away. And then the most important thing about installing a battery is putting a little dielectric grease or terminal grease as well. Just prevents corrosion and has a better electrical connection. So like when you get a battery after like 3 years, or in certain weather conditions, all that little white corrosion there means the battery's leaking and all that corrosion is just building up. First thing we can do is actually just mount the battery back into place. So I'm going to just connect it back to that metal side there, and then this original bolt, and take it back out and put it back. .10 millimeter, and just tighten everything. And we'll use a 10 millimeter deep socket for that. You end up feeling the tension, and it looks like it's mounted, so you don't want to tighten it any more than that. And then you just move it around, make sure the battery's in place and sturdy. And now we just put the terminals back on. We're going to start with positive first, because we took negative first and took positive second. So you want the positive to be first. Not be too tight. Once you start feeling a little tension, that's good. Give it a little wiggle. If it's not moving, then it's in place. You do want it to be tight because as you move, your car moves around pretty good, so you don't want it coming loose. But you also don't want to tighten it because these are made of aluminum and they're really soft metal. Once the positive's done, you put the positive cap back on, and then you get the negative. And so that you put the negative last because that's the one that's gonna it's probably the most dangerous one. It's not that dangerous because it's 12 volts, but it'll have a little spark, so sometimes it'll have a spark. This one didn't, but maybe that's okay. Other cars have sparks. And then you tighten it. There you go. So that's it. That is the Toyota RAV4 battery install. We're just going to start the car now and it should work.